Rawatripa, an area with peatland ecosystem characteristic in Nagan Raya, Aceh, Indonesia, is a natural treasure rich in various species, especially the Sumatran orangutan. For this reason, Rawatripa is an essential area for conservation. Unfortunately, Rawatripa is currently being destroyed. Two companies have been conducting activities within the peatland protected area. We have found excavator damaging rainforests, stripping tropical wood, and destroying this valuable ecosystem. Moreover, monitoring by the APEL team discovered orangutan nests in Rawatripa, strong evidence that orangutans still inhabit this area. Massive deforestation has devastated Rawatripa and threatened the survival of the orangutans. Stop deforestation. We urge the Minister of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning National Land Agency to revoke the land use permit of PT Kalista Alam and PT Surya Panin Subur. We also call on the Minister of Forestry to protect the peatland ecosystem of Rawatripa, Nagan Raya.